Hello ladies, this is Sue Ellen, and someone recently asked me a question about these magnesium sprays from Jordan Essential. In our current catalog, which ends on July 19th, these sprays are listed as $18 a piece or 2 for $30. And I don't know for sure, but we have a suspicion that that deal may not be in the next catalog. So someone was asking me which two would I recommend. And so I wanted to jump on real quick and tell you which two I currently recommend. If you're having a lot of this is a mix and match between the sprays and the sticks. So if you are having a lot of allergy problems, I would recommend allergy stick. And the reason I say stick is because I prefer to put the allergy on my face, and so I rub it right here over my sinuses and around my nose so that I can breathe in those essential oils. and I also like to put some on my chest. And the spray is fine on my chest, but on my face, I don't want to do the spray. So what I've ended up doing is spraying on my hand, because I have the allergy spray and I only have a sample, like a little sample. That wasn't it, but I have a little sample size of the allergy stick, and I use it a lot more than I use the spray. So with the spray, I spray it on my hands and then I rub that on my face. But aside from allergy spray, the sleep spray has been my #1 recommendation since I joined for all of these benefits. And now the peace spray is my second favorite thing. So the peace spray, I do spray on my chest and my stomach, and daughters will spray it chest and stomach also. It helps if you're having a bad day emotionally. It helps calm down and provide some peace, as the name implies. The sun is coming in right here, so I got to remember to move to the other side. So that's how we use the peace spray, and it helps. I've seen it help like in 10 minutes. Attitudes and emotions change after using this. So mind-blowing. If you have teenagers in your house, you need the peace spray. The other is the sleep spray, and we use this every day. One of my children uses it every day. My husband and I both use it every day. We spray it on the bottom of our feet or wrists, neck. It's the magnesium is relaxing, but I think the thing that makes these magnesium solutions so powerful is the combination of the magnesium with the essential oils. I've used essential oils for years and years, and I think the combination of the relaxing magnesium with the targeted essential oils makes a big difference in these. So while I'm telling you things that I love, I grabbed my other thing. If I had to pick two, I would pick a bundle of sprays. And then the other thing I would pick is the Armpit Detox system. It's not part of that bundle because you're bundling the 2 sprays or 2 sticks or a spray and a stick. The Armpit Detox bundle has been working very well for me. The pieces I'm going to show you, I didn't buy it as the bundle. I bought it individually. So it would have been more affordable to have bought the bundle. But I had the clean sweep came in my kit, and so then I just bought the other 2 parts. And I like lavender eucalyptus scent, so I picked this one instead of the resistance that's in the bundle. So in the Detox Your Pits bundle, you get resistance scent of aluminum-free deodorant, you get the Spritz Your Pits spray, and you get the charcoal activated charcoal soap. It's the exact same soap as the Clean Sweep. It's just in a different packaging for this. So I use this Clean Sweep in the shower. I use it in my puff. It lathers really nicely. So I wash my armpits and with the activated charcoal. This also has tea tree oil in it. So if you know anything about the oils, tea tree is helps. I lost the word. Disinfect is not the right word, I don't think, but it's, you can Google it. What does tea tree oil do? And then I use the Spritz Your Pit spray in the morning and in the evening. And then I use this also. You don't have to use both of them. They say in the Detox Clean, use the spray, and then you can move into the stick deodorant. But I've been using this one also just because I like the smell of it. So if I will apply this during the day so I can smell it and smell fresh. But the Spritz Your Pits helps get rid of the odor, and it's also killing bacteria and stuff that causes the odor. So the Armpit Detox is a good thing. Now recently, I'm going to show you just real quick because people keep opening my door. I have in my kit, I got these little sample sizes for a lot of different skincare products. And so I've tried the Easy Scrubs It, and I have now ordered this exfoliator since somebody bought my other exfoliator, Janet. So I replaced it with the Easy Scrubs It. And I'm really liking the Easy Scrubs It. It's an unscented product, so I'm not worrying about mixing it with other scents that I might use on my face and having a mix of flavors on my face. I got the Clay It Isn't So. Gotta find a place where the sun's not shining anymore. Detoxifying clay mask. And on this little sample, it does not tell me what's in it. I can't remember. So I'll have to tell you more about that later. But I did this little mask, and in my sample, I'm going to get more than one mask out of the little sample that came in my kit. I did it, put it all over my face, waited, was it 15 minutes, and then washed it off, and it felt so good. I haven't done a mask in years, so that was nice. And then I did that before I got my exfoliator, and I was thinking the exfoliator would probably be the perfect thing to wash your face with after using the mask. So now I have my exfoliator in the big container. I need to finish using what's in my sample too. I can't remember why I had my salt scrub out. I was going to tell y'all something about salt scrub, but I don't remember now. So this month's Joyful Jordan box, I have been loving, where's my shade, my honey lip butter. In fact, I'm going to use some right now. I love this honey lip butter, and kind of sad that the honey lip butter is not going to be, I don't know, maybe it's in the new catalog. I don't know. I really like this. And I learned for our big party that we were doing this month that olive squalane helps with the wrinkles you get around your mouth. And I just noticed when I was reading that ingredient that this says it has castor seed oil in it. Is that the... Need to think about that. There's one product that I've been trying to figure out which products have it in it because it helps with this, these color splotches. I need to try to remember. The other thing that I'm loving from the Joyful Jordan box is the Age Defying Serum. So I was going to show y'all real quick how I use it because I'm going to put some on anyway. I do 2 little pumps. Boop, boop. Sometimes if I've just washed my face, I'll just do 1 pump, but it's late in the day, as you can see from the sun coming in my mirror, my window. So I just rub it in. And y'all, I've never been much of a skincare person, so I have done not a lot of good things to my skin. but this feels really nice going on. And then if I have enough, I'll go down my neck. If I don't have enough, I'll do another pump and put it on my neck, because I'm starting to get the little creepy stuff on my neck. So, where are my glasses? So, this is in your Joyful Jordan box along with the glycerin soap. I admit I have not tried the glycerin soap yet because I have this in my shower and I've been using it. So if you have any questions about this month's Joyful Jordan box, I'm happy to talk about it, or the Armpit Detox, or the magnesium sprays that you can get in a bundle of 2 for $30 right now, sprays or sticks. Let me know. I posted on my page this evening a picture of all the different kinds of these that we have, and that lighting is causing a problem, so I probably need to stop and see why everybody's been opening my door. I'll talk to you later. Bye.